Hey guys, are you want to buy best speaker wires for home theater? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best speaker wires for home theater that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Recoil Speaker Wires, this 18-gauge color-coded car speaker cable is designed for efficient and clean audio installations, featuring 8 speaker leads and 1 remote turn-on lead. It simplifies 4 speaker to amplifier setups with just a single 20-foot cable run. The high-strand CCA construction enhances sound transfer for improved audio quality, while the UltraFlex outer jacket ensures maximum flexibility during installation. The Easy Peel jacket design allows for quick access without damaging the inner wires. And the EIA standard color coding makes identification and connection fast and hassle-free. Perfect for DIY or professional installs, this cable saves time and delivers reliable performance. Now our second product is InstallGear Speaker Wires. This 100-foot, 16-gauge premium speaker wire offers the perfect balance of performance, flexibility, and ease of use. Made with copper-clad aluminum CCA, it provides solid conductivity with minimal signal loss, ideal for home theater systems, car audio setups, or professional studio use. The frosted red-black double conductor design ensures easy polarity identification, while the soft flex jacket adds durability and simplifies installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this wire makes connecting speakers to amplifiers or AV receivers quick and reliable. A cost-effective and dependable choice for clean, high-quality audio. Our third product is InstallGear 16 AWG Speaker Wires. This 30-foot, 16-gauge premium speaker wire is a reliable solution for clean, high-quality audio connections. Built with copper-clad aluminum CCA, it combines cost efficiency with strong conductivity and minimal signal loss. The double conductor design in frosted red and black offers clear polarity identification, while the stranded wire ensures excellent flexibility and easy stripping. Ideal for home theater systems, car audio setups, or professional studios. This wire is perfect for both DIYers and audio professionals. The soft flex jacket adds durability and simplifies installation, making it easy to route through tight spaces without damage. A solid choice for dependable sound performance. Now number 4. InstallGear Speaker Wires. This 30-feet 14-gauge speaker wire is a versatile and reliable choice for both car and home audio systems. Designed for use in home theaters, surround sound setups, and car speaker installations, it ensures stable and clear audio transmission with minimal resistance. The red and black color-coded design allows for easy polarity identification, reducing the risk of wiring errors and protecting your equipment. Its rugged PVC jacket adds durability while remaining flexible enough for routing through tight spaces without damage. The included 30-feet spool offers convenience for both short and long cable runs, making installation simple and organized. Ideal for DIY projects or professional setups, this wire delivers dependable performance and clean sound. And our last choice is Amazon Basic Speaker Wires. This 100-foot, 14-gauge speaker wire is perfect for connecting speakers to AV receivers or amplifiers with ease. Made from 99.9% oxygen-free copper, it ensures clear, high-quality audio transmission with minimal signal distortion. The durable yet flexible insulated jacket makes routing simple, even in tight spaces, while withstanding wear over time. Color coding provides clear polarity identification, helping to prevent connection mistakes during installation. Whether you're setting up a home theater, stereo system, or professional audio equipment, this wire offers reliable performance and clean, undistorted sound. A solid choice for both DIY users and audio professionals. So what do you think about If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.